Okay, so welcome to Christian's cooking show. Now, right now we are making whatever these are called, and you have to get dough, and you have to cut them into triangles. It tells you how right here, and then you grab one and then put it right there gently, and then you gently place one right there. I haven't cut in this one yet. I already cut this one. But I'm going to gently roll this, and then you have a beautiful whatever this is called. But then, when you want to continue making your beautiful whatever they're called, you must get your not so sharp knife, but sharp enough to cut cheese. Go to the center, and then gently cut your cheese. Also, you must get one of the triangles, and you have to get one of the squares, and then rip the triangles off. Technical difficulties. Now that I have my beautiful triangle, you must do the exact same thing I just did before. You must put your cheese stick on your triangle, and if it has one of these things, I suggest just doing that and placing it right there, and then you roll it. Then Perfect. You have another one of whatever these weird looking things are called. Okay, so it's another episode of Christian's baking class. I have a brush right here, painting brush. It's used for painting. And then you just dip it in your butter, and then I've already put some of this on there, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get some of this garlic powder and just sprinkle some on, just like that. Don't do too much. And then you grab some of this beautiful Parmesan cheese, and then you just brush it like that. And it doesn't matter if there's a lot of cheese, because there's no such thing as too much cheese. And I'm just gonna continue to brush them. Just get a nice sparkly whatever they're called. And then brush some more. Now, there's multiple ingredients to this recipe, but my favorite ingredient is love. Actually, it's cheese, but we don't have to talk about that.
Did you know you could just put the butter on all of them and then go sprinkle them all?
That's a very good idea, ma'am. So as I was saying, the main ingredient is love. But the ingredient love is cheese. It's just another word for cheese. We gotta add some more love to it. And that's okay that I got some butter on the cheese, because it's just more butter, and who doesn't like more butter? I don't have enough. I ran out of love.
Can you spread the love? Can you borrow from?
Yes, I can do that. Spreading love. Okay, welcome back to another one of Christian's baking episodes. And these lovely, whatever they're called, we're gonna have to bake them for 133 degrees for 15 minutes.
How about 350 degrees for 15 minutes? Does that sound better?
Yes, it sounds so much better because you can't burn the love. If you burn the love, they don't taste good.